अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आपको अपने चैनल पे वेलकम करती हूँ। फाइंड अ कार एक्सीडेंट लॉयर नियर यू। Finding the best car accident attorney. A car accident attorney is a type of a professional injury attorney. You can be overwhelmed by the number of options there are in your area. It seems like every commercial bus bench and billboard is offering the services of another attorney. By asking the right questions and looking for the right credentials, you'll be able to narrow the field down to one that is right for you. What is their experience? Many personal injury attorneys focuses on um, particular type of cases. Some handle workers' compensation cases, others handle class action lawsuits against manufacturers, and other handle car accidents. You want to find an attorney that has a lot of experience with car accidents. Look for a lawyer who has taken cases all the way to trial. In the unlikely event your case doesn't settle before then. Of course, with this experience, there should be a winning track record of getting appropriate settlements and judgments from insurance companies. What are the fees? It's no secret that attorneys cost a pretty penny. You want to find an attorney who works on a contingency, meaning they don't make any money until you get your settlement or judgment. Most personal injury attorneys work for a percentage of the final award amount. This is typically around 33% and potentially more if your case goes to trial. You'll also probably be responsible for costs such as filing fees and expert witness fees. Read the lawyer's fee agreement closely so you understand what you are responsible for. Don't make the decision slowly on the fee. If they are the best, they may be worth the extra money. Read more car accident lawyer fees. Are they able to communicate clearly? You'll have a lot of persons in the course of your case. You want to have an attorney who can speak to you in a way that you understand what is going on. A lawyer sticking to legal jargon may seem impressive, but you will find yourself confused in the process. Are they respected by their peers? Do some research online to see what other attorneys have to say about them. Don't be afraid to ask them what percentage of their business comes from other attorney referrals. The higher the percentage, the better. Referrals means that other attorneys have a high amount of respect of the person you're talking to, enough respect that they risk their own reputation on a recommendation. A good attorney is also willing to provide reference that speak to their abilities. You can also contact the state bar to find out whether the lawyer has been subject to any disciplinary actions. Do they have do they have a professional office? You need an attorney who has the rescue to handle your case. This means that they have the staff capable of doing investigation work and addressing issues as they the areas. It's likely that you will be interesting with some of these staff members as your case progress. An organized office space is also a good indication that the attorney is running a professional business. It had be hard to trust an attorney who is flipping through files trying to find your case when you come in for a meeting. Why do I need an auto accident lawyer? It's possible to handle an auto accident injury case on your own. You don't necessarily need to hire a lawyer. That begs the question, why should you? The reason that you should get an auto accident attorney is you will likely be given the bar minimum by an insurance company if you handle the case on your own. Insurance companies are in the business to make a profit and they do this in part by keeping claims costs down when you possible. You might not be aware of certain legal rights to compensation for things like emotional trauma. An auto accident attorney knows ins and outs of the process, and as a result in able to get you the most for your accidents that their job.